Hey, welcome to Corbellic Studios. Look, this is a video to remind you that you're a phenomenal person. You are a great person. You deserve to have better. You deserve to have the lifestyle of what you want. You deserve to have the dream of what you want. It is never too late in your life to become who you want to be, but you also have to do the work. You have to do the work. Work works. I've never met anybody in my whole life. I've never coached anybody in my whole life where they didn't do the work and they didn't get the results. Look, if you go to the park by yourself and if you do 1,000 push-ups and no one knows about it, they will eventually know about it because the work works. You're going to know about it and they're going to know about it because they're going to see the results in your work. They're going to see it in your body. You're going to know the work because you're going to be sore and you're going to sleep like a baby. All right? I've never been in a situation and I've never met anybody who actually put the work in and they didn't succeed. With my coaching a lot, I know what the work looks like. Some of the things that I know when someone says that they're having difficulty with their sales, they're having difficulty with their numbers, the first question that I ask is, how consistent are you daily? How often are you showing up to work? Then what I'll do is I say, okay, let me spend time to go into your account. Let me go spend time to go into your business. And that's where they think that I'm not looking. They think that I'm not going to check into the account. I go into your account and then you know what I see? I see that you haven't been showing up to work. And in the days that you do show up to work, you're only doing 3, 4. Then you take 2 days off. You take a day off. You do 2, 3, 4. If you were exercising at the gym, do you think that that type of structure will work? No, it doesn't work. And you know it in your spirit that it doesn't work. You are capable of more. You are capable of doing a lot more in your life. You just have to push yourself. You have to say to yourself that it's okay to push yourself. You have to say to yourself that it's not the end of the world. You're not going to spontaneously combust by doing the work. What's the worst that's going to happen? Work is for free. You can do the work for free, but the outcome is that you are going to hit your goals. You are going to get your dream. You are going to accomplish the things that you want to accomplish. If you want to accomplish the things that you want, then the God is already inside of you. I already say that we're all creators because we were made in the image of the Creator. The gift is already inside of us. We were born with a brain. We were born with 2 arms. We were born with 2 legs. We were born with the gift to be able to go to work. It doesn't cost you anything to go to sleep early and to wake up early. It doesn't cost you anything either to go to sleep late and to wake up early. It doesn't cost you anything so that way you can discipline yourself. It doesn't cost you anything to wake up, go to the gym, and do the 1,000 push-ups or to get yourself on the treadmill or to just go to the park and do the work. It doesn't cost you anything to be a disciplined person and to do the work. Every day is a blessing because we get to wake up and we get to do the work. The work is for free. We're just so conditioned to where our dopamine levels are so high, we're so distracted, and we also believe that we're not capable of doing the things to become successful. I'm here to tell you that you are capable. Every single one of us are geniuses. I believe that every single one of us are geniuses. Anytime that somebody would message me and they would say, hey, Corbellic, I wish that I could create beautiful artwork like you. I wish that I could do what you could do. I always stop people in their place and I say, you can do it. You are a genius just like I am. The Creator is already inside of us. God is already inside of us. You have to just know that. Society has put it in a way where they put a spell over us and had us forget that we are all superheroes. You are a phenomenal person. You are already a superhero. You can do the work. It's for free. Show up. The worst thing that's going to happen is that you're going to hit your goals. Or the worst thing that's going to happen is that you're going to alienate yourself from people that don't matter anyways. If people don't want you to be successful, if your old friends don't want you to become this better person of yourself, if your family members want you to just be regulated and go back to having the old generational curses of be that person who you were, then these are the people that you need to filter out of your life anyways. And the best filter for yourself, how you can get these people out of your lives, is that you become successful. You work hard. Only thing that you have to do is work hard and you will naturally have the filter. you'll naturally see the people who are at your frequency and who aren't at your frequency, and you'll naturally have the selection of who is going to be in and out of your life. But also, you're going to notice as well too, as long as you're accomplishing your goals, you're hitting your metrics, that these people are naturally going to distance themselves out of your life, because they're going to see that they're not on your frequency. They're going to see that they can't match up to who you are becoming, who you are shining in your light, and your light is just going to shine their inefficiencies to do any kind of work. It's just going to shine a light on their laziness or their low frequency. So you're a phenomenal person. I just wanted to say that you're capable of doing the work. You're frustrated because you know that you're capable of doing the work. You're frustrated because you know that you're made more. You know that you are capable of doing more. You know that you're able to do more reps. You know that you're capable of doing more work. You know that you're capable of doing just a little bit more. Because there's been times in your life where if it was up to you, you would be lazy and do nothing. But there was a time where you had a coach. There was a time that you had a teacher. There was times where you had somebody telling you, hey, you can do a little bit more. You can do that. And you know what? You were able to do it. And then when you were able to do it, how did you feel about yourself? You feel great. You feel phenomenal because you're already a phenomenal person. And then you were able to mentally know that you were able to excel and you were able to exceed what you put the limits on yourself. So you need to have a reminder about that. Everything of what you say, you believe. Everything of what you say, it's true. If you say you're a loser, then you're a loser. If you say that you're only able to do 10, 5, whatever these number counts of anything in your life, then that's what you're able to do. If you say that you're able to do 100, you're going to figure out how to do 100. If you say that you're going to do 1,000, you're going to figure out how to do 1,000. And you don't have to do these things alone either. Once you start raising your frequency, you're going to start bringing people who are also on the same frequency as you, and you can ask these people for help. You can ask these people for help, how to raise your frequency, how to get to the next level. And that's why we have the elite coaching where you can join us. Everybody that's in the elite coaching, we have a community where we all help each other. And people will guide you into the way, because everybody here is on a higher frequency where they already are accomplishing their goals. They're already hitting their numbers. They're already making the sales, and they will help you as well how to make the sales. We are all here together. This isn't just where you're going to be learning some course and you got to do this all by yourself. Point A, point B, point C. Most people are going to drop out of that, but that's usually the intention anyways, is that those coaches don't care if you do drop out. This is going to be a supportive community where people will guide you along the way and say, hey, I've been there before. This is what you need to do. Any questions that you have, you're going to have a 14-day sales activity orientation so that when you get your first listings up, you're going to get your first sales, and you don't have to have any social media. You don't have to be tech savvy. Everything is built out for you. So I just wanted to remind you of that. Don't put limitations on yourself. We're all guilty of it. Maybe I'm not even talking to you right now. Maybe I'm just talking to my previous self, and I'm talking to myself in the past, and this is therapeutic for me to remind myself, right? I always say, in order for you to manifest, in order for you to be successful, you kind of have to be a time traveler of sorts, all right? So time travel your sorts right now and make sure that you're just cutting the time and get to it. Let's go. All right, I'm going to see you in the next video. Join us in the community, and I'll see you in the next video. Or don't join it. You could just watch these videos for free, and you could just still be in the same situation in which you're always in, and you think that there's limitations, or you think there's tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.